Hello, this proposal is by Korey Langford at Houston Christian University. My proposal is titled, We Must Change in Order to Create 21st Century Learners. Have you heard of Admiral Grace Hopper? She says to Computer World magazine in 1976, the most dangerous phrase is, We've always done it that way. Now, if you go look this up, she is discussing data processing management, but I think we can apply that quote to many situations. Admiral Hopper later says, if we base our plans on the present, we fall behind, and the cost of carrying out something may be more costly than not implementing it. My purpose for this professional development proposal. Classroom teachers are already overwhelmed with overcrowding, changing curriculum, and pressures to perform on testing. The purpose of this project is to give classroom teachers a common framework to help incorporate more technology into their lessons by making one small change to their current lessons and then slowly introducing more technology into their classroom. My overarching goals: create technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge, TPAC, and substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition, SAMR, professional development. Provide professional development over TPAC and SAMR. Establish commitments from classroom teachers. Establish and conduct revision meetings every 4 weeks. Conduct an end of semester assessment to make any necessary modifications. Campus level training will be provided throughout the district to help teachers transition lessons into engaging digital lessons. Two frameworks will be presented. The first framework is substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition, commonly known as SAMR. This framework has been described as more of a linear model for incorporating technology into the classroom. It is described as this because it starts with using technology as a direct substitution for a common item. Then you can add layers of technology to create a complete digital lesson. Technological, pedagogical content, and content knowledge. TPAC is best used when starting a plan from a lesson fresh with no pre existing lesson plans. Using the TPAC framework, you do not have to think about how to take your existing lessons and modify it to include technology. You start with technology in mind. Once you have decided what your students need to know, you have to think about the best way to teach them. Are you going to teach them through group discussion, whole class teaching, small group, or whatever you want to do? All three of these diverge to create the TPAC lesson. T-test dimensions 1.1, 1.4, and 2.3 also discuss technology use in lessons and in the classroom. T-test dimension 1.1, to move from proficient to accomplished, says integration of technology to enhance mastery of goals. This also allows for universal design for learning, allowing all learners to express mastery of content. Dimension 1.4, all levels mention the use of technology in the classroom, but the higher you move up the scale to distinguished means having students create with technology, allowing them to have ownership of their learning. Finally, Dimension 2.3, moving from proficient to accomplished and beyond. The teacher encourages students to communicate effectively, including the use of technology. project milestones. May of 2024, create SAMR and TPAC professional development for fourth grade. The SAMR and TPAC professional development has already been created. In event of scheduling conflicts, a self-paced version has been created with a digital exit ticket for participants to submit commitments. August 2024, provide professional development to fourth grade teachers, obtain commitments on how they will use one of the technology frameworks, and begin piloting frameworks in fourth grade. December 2024, collaborate with teachers from different subjects on how to improve the implementation of the frameworks into their lessons. May 2025, collaborate with teachers from different subjects for final suggestions on implementing frameworks into their lessons. Finally, in August of 2025, revise professional development with SAMR and TPAC introduced district-wide during the beginning of the professional development days for the new school year. A review of situational analysis highlights. Many strengths and opportunities are afforded with the integrating of technology in the classroom, but these are a few highlights. Columbia Brazoria ISD, or CBISD, faculty are a diverse and innovative group of educators willing to go to the next level. Teach students to be 21st century collaborative citizens. Provide students with innovative learning opportunities. Weaknesses and threats. Additionally, there are some weaknesses and threats, but these are some of the more significant ones. Fatigue from teachers trying to implement a new initiative. Internet infrastructure is weak due to ongoing construction in the school district. Lack of internet at students' homes to maintain learning continuity. My vision for this professional development is to empower learners, foster innovation, cultivate digital citizenship, and support educators to become catalysts of change throughout the effective use of technology, expertise, and modern learning approaches. I aim to shape a future where education prioritizes learners, promotes creativity, encourages responsible technology use, and equips individuals to thrive in the 21st century. Again, my name is Korey Langford, and I thank you for your time.